Intensive Practice 10.1, questions number 1. In January 2017, the average temperature in town P was 25.3 degrees Celsius, whereas the average temperature in February 2017 was 27.4 degrees Celsius. Find the average temperature index in February with January as the best times and interpret the index number of 10. By referring to the formula here, we can find the average temperature index in February based on January by taking the temperature in February, divide it with the temperature in January and multiply it with 100. So this will be 27.4 divided by 27.3 times 100. The answer here will be 108.3. When the value of the index number is more than 100, it means there will be an increase when compared to the base year. To find the increase in percentage, we are going to take the 108.3 minus it with 100. Therefore, the increase in percentage will be at 0.3%. Therefore, the interpretations of the index number of 10, which is the 108.3, is the average temperature in town P increased by 8.3% in February 2017 compared to January 2017. Questions number 2. Given the price index of a certain item in the year 2016 based on the year 2015 was 130, and the price index in the year 2016 based on the year 2012 was 120. Find the price index of this item in the year 2015 based on the year 2012 and interpret it. As in this question, you have the information of two index numbers which involve three different years, so we can solve this using the SMART method. So from this information here, we know that the price index in 2016 based on 2015 is equal to 130. And from this sentence, we know that the price index in the year 2016 based on 2012 is equal to 120. And the price index that we want to find will be the price index in the year 2015 based on 2012. So the three difference here involved here will be the 2012, 2015, and 2016. So for the first part here, this will be the index number in the year 2015 based on 2012, which is the one that we want to find. This part here will be the index number in the year 2016 based on 2015, which is equal to the 130. As for this part, it will be the index number in the year 2016 based on 2012, which is the 120. So to solve for these questions, therefore, the price index in the year 2015 based on 2012 multiply with 130 over 100, this will be equal to 120. So to solve this, first I'm going to move the 100 to the right hand side. It will be 120 times 100. Next, I'm going to move the 130 to the right hand side. It will be divided by 130. The answer will be 92.31. So the price index here is less than 100. It means there will be a decrease when compared to the base year. To find the decrease in percentage, we're going to use 100 minus the 92.31. The answer of this will be 7.69%. Therefore, the interpretations of the index number that we find here, which is the 92.31, will be the price of a certain items decreased by 7.69% in the year 2015 compared to the year 2012. Questions number 3. The table below shows the prices and the price indices of these three ingredients, P, Q, and R, which are used in preparing a type of biscuit. Find the value of X, Y, Z. We can find the index numbers using this formula. The price index given in the table is in the year 2019 based on 2015. Therefore, the price index in this table is found by taking the cost in the year 2019, and we're going to divide it with the cost in the year 2015 and multiply it by 100. To find the X, the material P has the price index of 80, and the 80 is found through 0.4 divided by X, and we multiply it with 100. This will give us the answer of 80. To find for the X, I'm going to move the X to the right hand side, whereas this 80 to the left hand side. Therefore, X will be 0.4 times 100 divided by 80. The answer will be 0.5. As the X is referred to the cost, which is the price, therefore, we must put the unit of RM and 2 decimal places for the answer which involving the price. And for the Y, the material Q has the price index of 140. To get the 140, we are going to take the value of Y, divide it with 2, multiply it by 100. This will give us the answer of 140. To find for the Y, first I'm going to move the number 2 to the right hand side. Later on, I'm going to move the 100 to the right hand side as well. This will be 140 times 2 divided by 100. The answer will be 2.8. And the Y is referred to the cost as well, and is involving the price. Therefore, you must put the unit RM 2.80, 2 decimal places. As for the Z, it will be the price index in the year 2019 based on 2015. So we can find the value of Z by using the cost in the year 2019, which is 1 ringgit, divide it with 0.8 and multiply it by 100. The answer will be 125. Questions number 4. The table below shows the retail prices of a chicken in January for the year 2015 until 2018. Using the year 2015 as the base year, finds the value of PQRS. So the price index P here is you comparing the price in the year 2015 to the year 2015 again. Therefore, there will be no change in the price. Then the P will be equal to 100. If you want to show it by calculations, then P will be equal to 5.8 over 5.8 multiplied by 100, which is equal to 100. As for Q, we're going to take the price in the year 2016, which is 7.65, divide it with the base year, which is 2015, 5.8, multiply it with 100. The answer will be 131.90. As for R, we're going to take the price in the year 2017, which is 7.8, divide it with the base year, which is 5.8, multiply it with 100. The answer will be 134.48. As for the price index S, we're going to take the price in the year 2018, which is 7.3, divide it with the base year, 5.8, and multiply it with 100. The answer will be 125.86. Questions number 5. The diagram below shows the price index for a type of food in 2015 and 2018 based on the year 2010. Find the price index of the foods in the year 2018 based on the year 2015. So the value 1110 in the table here is the price index in the year 2015 based on 2010, whereas this 118 will be the price index in the year 2018 based on 2010. And the price index that we want to find will be in the year 2018 based on 2015. So we can solve these questions using the SMILE method. So the 3 years involved here will be 2010, 2015 and 2018. So for the first part here, this will be the index number in the year 2015 based on 2010, which is the 110. And for the second part here, this will be the index number in the year 2018 based on 2015, which is the one that we want to find in these questions. As for this part, this will be the price index in the year 2018 based on 2010, which is the 118. To solve this, we're going to take the 110, we're going to multiply it with the price index in the year 2018 based on 2015 over 100. This will be equal to the 118. To find the price index, first, I'm going to move the 110 to the right hand side. It will be 118 divided by 110. Next, I'm going to move the 100 to the right. It will be multiplied by 100. The answer will be 107.27.